One costs $1,500. The other costs $5,000. Both are AI-powered robotic arms made in China. Both can replace human workers. Both are available to anyone watching this video right now. But here is the question nobody is asking. Which one actually makes you more money? Today, we are putting two of China's most talked robotic arms head-to-head. The Elephant Robotics myCobot and the DOBOT MG400. And by the end of this video, you will know exactly which one is right for your business, your budget, and your goals in 2026. Let's get into it. First, let me introduce both machines properly. The myCobot 280 by Elephant Robotics is a collaborative desktop robotic arm weighing just 850 grams. It has a reach of 280 millimeters, supports drag-and-drop programming, and connects to AI vision systems, conveyor belts, and custom end-of-arm tools. Price $1,500 to $2,800 depending on configuration. The DOBOT MG400 is a 4-axis industrial-grade desktop arm designed for higher precision and faster cycle times. It carries a payload of 750 grams, connects to vision cameras and conveyor systems, and is built for continuous production line operation. Price $3,000 to $5,000. Both are manufactured in Shenzhen, China. Both ship globally. Both come with English software, tutorials, and active developer communities. On paper, they look similar. In practice, they serve very different businesses. And that difference is where the money is. Let me break down what each machine is actually best at, because choosing the wrong one for your use case is an expensive mistake. The myCobot 280X light assembly tasks, snapping together small components, placing items into packaging, and handling fragile products. Education and demonstration. It is the most popular collaborative arm in universities and tech labs worldwide in 2026, which means the tutorial library is enormous. Creative automation. People are using it to paint, draw, write calligraphy, and create content for social media. Several creators are generating tens of thousands of views per video just by showing this arm in action, and coffee and food service. The myCobot 280 is light enough and safe enough to operate next to customers in a cafe or retail environment. The DOBOT MG400 excels at high-speed pick and place. It moves faster and more precisely than the myCobot, making it ideal for e-commerce, fulfillment, and product sorting, PCB and electronics assembly. The MG400's precision is tight enough for circuit board work and micro-comp placement that would be impossible by hand at scale. Quality inspection paired with a vision camera. The MG400 can inspect hundreds of products per hour and reject defective items automatically. And small-scale manufacturing. If you are running a production line of any kind, the MG400 is the professional-grade choice. Now let us talk about what actually matters. How much money are people making with these machines in 2026 with the myCobot 280? A robotic cafe in Dubai opened in early 2026 using two myCobot arms to prepare drinks. Setup cost under $15,000 total. Monthly revenue over $40,000, driven largely by viral social media content showing the robot in action. An Etsy seller in the UK programmed their assemble and package custom gift boxes automatically. They scaled from 30 orders per day to over 200 orders per day without hiring a single additional employee. A content creator in the US films their myCobot performing tasks for YouTube Shorts and TikTok. The channel crossed 1 million subscribers in 8 months. With the DOBOT MG400, a small electronics assembler in Germany replaced 2 part-time workers with 1 MG400 annual labor cost saving over $60,000. Machine costs $4,500. Return on investment achieved in under 4 weeks. An e-commerce seller in Canada uses the MG400 sorting, labeling, and packing orders. Output per hour tripled. Shipping errors dropped to 0. The income potential is real, and it is happening now. So, head-to-head, which machine actually wins? The honest answer is, it depends entirely on what you do. Choose the myCobot 280. If you are starting out and want flexibility, you want to use it for content creation or a cafe business, you are on a tighter budget, you want a machine that is safe to use around people, choose the DOBOT MG400. You are running or building a real production operation. You need speed, precision, and continuous duty cycles. You have a clear B2B client or manufacturing use case. You are ready to invest more for a faster financial return. The myCobot is the creative entrepreneur's arm. The MG400 is the serious operator's arm. Both will pay for themselves. The MG400 just does it faster. If you have the right workflow, here is how to get Ether machine shipped to your door in 2026. For the myCobot 208, go directly to elefantrobotics.com. They ship globally with DHL and FedEx. Delivery time is 7 to 14 days. You can also find them on Alibaba. Search myCobot 280 Elephant Robotics for competitive pricing and trade assurance. Buyer protection. For the DOBOT MG400, visit dobot.cc for official pricing and global shipping. On Alibaba, search DOBOT MG400 Robotic Arm Desktop and filter by verified gold suppliers. Budget $200 to $400 for international air shipping on top of the machine price for both machines. Before ordering, do 3 things. 1. Watch the official demo videos on each manufacturer's YouTube channel. Both have extensive English language tutorials. To join the developer community on GitHub and Discord, you will find real users sharing programs, attachments, and income ideas for free. Here is the final verdict. If you have $1,500 and a creative idea, start with the myCobot 280. Build a robotic cafe. Automate your Etsy store. Create content. Find your use case. Grow from there. If you have a clear production need and $5,000, go straight to the DOBOT MG. It will pay for itself faster than almost anything else on this channel. Either way, the window to get ahead of this technology is open right now in 2026. The businesses buying these machines today are the ones that will dominate their markets tomorrow. Now I want to hear from you. myCobot or DOBOT? Which one fits your business? Drop it in the comments below. I read every single one. And if you want to see the full list of the 10 most profitable machines you can import from China in 2026, subscribe right now. The next video is coming very soon. See you there.